The Hungry Artisan Ergonomic Food Mill is built from thick stainless steel that stands up well to hot foods and frequent use, while also serving as a sturdy colander or steamer when needed. Its comfortable crank and spring-assisted mechanism keep the turning motion smooth and light, so making tomato sauce, applesauce, or mashed potatoes feels noticeably easier on the arms. Secure side hooks grip the rims of pots and bowls firmly, so the mill stays steady while you work instead of wobbling or slipping around. 3 interchangeable stainless steel discs in fine, medium, and coarse sizes let you dial in the exact texture you want, from silky purees and baby food to rustic mashed potatoes. The design copes well with steaming hot ingredients and does an excellent job separating skins and seeds from fruits like tomatoes and berries for clean sauces and jams. Despite its generous capacity, the bowl, handle, and discs break down and nest together neatly, and the included digital recipe booklet helps you get creative with the tool right away.